Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about best Forex trading indicators. The one we're going to look at today, I think all traders should consider, but very few traders actually look at it. It's called Donchian channels, developed by Richard Donchian. And it's a great technical indicator, and it's the only technical indicator I know which you can use on its own with no other inputs, and it becomes a highly profitable trading system. When you use it without any other inputs, it's referred to as the 4-week rule. So let's just look at what the indicator does. Okay, so what you have on your charting package, and you'll find it on every major charting package, is a top line and a bottom line to create the channel. The top line represents the 4-week high. The bottom line of the channel represents the 4-week low. When you move outside of the top of the channel, you look to buy. You then just hang on to that position, wait for it to cross the bottom of the channel, then you change your long position to a short position and sell. So you've always got a position in the market, and you just keep simply reversing off 4-week highs and lows. And if you actually use that indicator as a system, so it's called the 4-week rule for obvious reasons, it will make money longer term if you trade it on a diverse portfolio of currency pairs. Now, it's important to keep in mind that the 4-week rule will catch just about, or will catch every big trend there is and give you a really good proportion of the trend in profit. But if a market isn't trending, it's in consolidation, it's moving sideways, you will get false signals. So as we don't know which markets are going to trend and which are going to consolidate, okay, it's important to trade a diverse portfolio. So how many pairs would I recommend? I would say you want 10 to 20 pairs. If you trade that amount over the longer term, the 4-week rule will deliver you fantastic trading profits. Now, the 4-week rule has been around since the late 70s, and it does work in any financial market. It was originally developed to trade commodities. And, it's one of those indicators that is so simple. You think, does it work? Yes, it does. Just put it up on your charts. You'll see how highly effective it is. And a lot of traders obviously lack patience and so forth, and want things that move quickly. But if you want big trends, there's no better way of catching them than using Donchian channels. Now, can you incorporate Donchian channels into your own trading strategy? Yes, of course you can. You can use it to confirm moves for yourself, or you can experiment with filters on the Donchian channel, which is one of the things that we do in terms of, okay, let's say you go to a 4-week high, we wouldn't wait for it to go all the way back to a 4-week low to get out, okay? We would have a moving average in between to put us flat. Say we've hit a 4-week high, we go flat on the moving average and then wait for the 4-week low to be hit. So that we find basically smooths the equity curve. But it is one of those indicators. Yes, it's been around a long time. It is highly effective. It can be very, very profitable. Like I just said, use the standalone system, and it's a valuable confirmation indicator for trend followers as well. I strongly recommend you look it up, use it as a standalone system, or look to add filters into it, or look to use it to confirm big trends. So thank you for watching this short introduction to Donchian channels. I'll speak to you soon. If you've got any questions or queries, please feel free to email me at any time.